Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trending crochet woven tops ideas. So don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. These designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you love all these ideas. So viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet tops ideas. I really hope that they will love these ideas. Guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors and different decent and unique designs. You can design your tops with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet tops collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet tops. Guys, crochet things represent our culture beauty. These articles used for designing. If you all love this article and if you want more designs, so like my video and subscribe my channel. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.